Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to the audio controls. This gives you access to equalization and accessibility sound options. Tap Sounds and Haptics for system tones, then head to Accessibility Audio/Visual to find advanced controls. Once there, enable headphone accommodations if you use headphones, or select EQ under Music for app-based changes. These steps matter because iPhone separates system, app, and headphone processing, so choose the pathway that matches how you listen. Now you'll modify EQ and headphone tuning to sculpt bass and treble. In Settings Music EQ, pick a preset such as Bass Booster or Treble Booster. Presets apply to Apple Music playback. For finer control, open Accessibility Audio/Visual Headphone Accommodations, turn it on, then customize using transparency or balance sliders and custom audio setup. Once done, play a familiar song and listen for clarity and punch. Make incremental changes rather than extreme jumps to avoid distortion. Finish by verifying your changes across apps and output devices. System tones, streaming apps, and wired versus Bluetooth output can behave differently. If adjustments don't seem to apply, restart the iPhone to reload audio services and reconnect headphones or Bluetooth devices. If sound is still off, reset audio settings by toggling EQ or turning headphone accommodations off and on. As a last resort, reset all settings. A quick tip: check for firmware updates on Bluetooth headphones if bass or treble is inconsistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.